how to enable or disable shopper activity extends logout duration on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable it or disable it. First, open your browser and then click settings, and here we'll find security and privacy, and if you can't find it here, all you need to do just type here privacy and you will find it. Now once you're here, scroll down until you find this one. Scroll down until you find shopper activity extends logout duration. Now if you want to enable it, just turn it on, and you can disable it, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.